Okay, class, let us pray. Christina, may lead the prayer. So very good. So is this that included in your Okay. So we're going to have a game called with no E. No E. Are you familiar with those games? No. So I have here a ping pong ball and set of jumbled letters. So for you to understand that the game is rhetorically, the teacher divides the class into two groups. Each group receives ping pong ball. Each member of the group throws the ping pong ball to the finish line. First one to get their ball across the finish line got 2 points, and the last to get 1 point and answer the set of jumbled letters. The group with the most points at the end of the game declare the winner. Okay, do you understand the mechanics? Yes. Now I will put you in group. This count 1, 2, 1, 2. Luana. 1, 2, 1. So this side is the group 1 and this side is the group 2. This is the side is here. This side is group 1 and this is the group 2. Okay, last time natin the side is here. Okay. So group together with another group points. So in total of 6 points. So group that or 5 points. If you have to get another point because they are facing your status. Because if you are facing, you have given another 1 point. Okay. You have to answer that within 10 seconds in order for you to have another 5 points. Okay, very good. So both of you are done. Both 6 points. Okay, another one. Hi. Okay, thank you. How about you, Melanie? Melanie, how do you feel while watching the video? I'm amazed. Why do you feel amazed? Because we made there, inspired, and okay. How about you, Mia? How do you feel?
So we're trying to look at the environment to have a proper segregation of their waste. It is a more proud to see them like
Okay, very good. Give me a right class. Right class, do you find it interesting? This is Anne. Why do you find it interesting? Because it's now including our environment. Okay, very good. How about what is the message of the video? What do you think is the message of the video? Maybe, yeah?
I think the message of the video is we should clean our environment as well as clean our community because we need to clean our environment. People who are residing on that place maybe have an burden like of our dirty environment.
Okay, very good. So, all your answers are correct. Or based from what the video you watched and the activity you did earlier, what do you think our topic for today? Melody. What do you think our topic for today? I think our topic for today is about can you say it louder, please? I think our topic for today is about recycling home. Okay, how about another one, Maria Cristina?
I think our topic for today is all about the recyclable materials and their products.
Okay, very good. Our topic for today is, can you help me, Nubea? Thank you very much. Our topic for today is all about waste materials. Okay, do you have an idea what are the waste materials? This is Sandra. Kaya, waste materials, ito po yung mga patatlo ng mga bata. Okay, very good. How about recyclable products? And we should have the idea.
Recyclable products, like products that we can recycle or use it again, like plastic bottles.
Okay, very good. Before we proceed to our discussion, let us know first our learning techniques. Is it everyone? Okay. After knowing your lesson, you are expected to be able to define the word recycling, identify the products or materials that can be recycled, participate actively in the group activity involving the lesson. Okay, so after our discussion, I'm expecting you that you now define the words recycling and also you can define the different products and different waste materials in our lesson. And lastly, I want
Recycling waste packaging, recycle ng mga materials like plastic products or magazine.
Okay, very good. So, recycling is turning the waste materials into a new product to be used. And it also to recycling to serve natural energy and even natural resources. In simple way, recycling is turning a materials or is a process of turning of materials into a new, simple, and useful product. Do you understand? Yes. So now let's find out what are the different types of waste materials that can be recycled. Do you have any idea what are waste materials that can be recycled? Yes. Can you give me some? Yes. Okay. Susan, can you give me some examples that can be recycled? Mountain okay, very good. So here are an example of waste materials that can be recycled. First is what we call e-waste or what? Electronic waste. Very good. Do you have any idea what is electronic waste? Like? So, electronic waste is receive, products that are unwanted, not working, and giving or having useful life. Okay, Maya, can you give your insight about electronic waste?
Electronic waste are the materials or the products
Okay, thank you very much. So when we say electronic waste, it is the product who are considered there's no use or highly valuable. Ito yung mga product na makikita natin maging sa bahay, kagaya na lang ng appliances na hindi na natin ginagamit dahil ito ay hindi namin siya or sira na. Maaaring kabilang din dito yung mga devices which are not technologically outdated because it doesn't meet the user's need. You understand? Yes. Can you give me some example of electronic waste, Joanna? Cell phone. Okay, very good. How about in our home? Any appliances that you can find at home? Natasha? Okay, very good. Then Joy? How about you, Leia? Okay, very good. All your answers are correct. And those are an example of electronic waste. So now let's proceed to another one, which is industrial waste. Is it, everyone? Waste produced by industrial activity, which includes any materials that we consider useless during a manufacturing process. Any idea, Melody, what is industrial waste? Teacher, ang industrial waste po ay ito po yung mga basura ng mga tao sa paligid. Okay, how about the Emily?
For me, industrial waste is yung sa mga factory and industrial places po, katulad ng yung sa oils and yung mga
Okay, very good. So, industrial waste is the waste being extracted or galing over materials from the extraction and production process. Halimbawa na lang sa mga factory or by the operations Please read everyone.
Medical waste.
Okay, so in Maria, if your insight about medical things,
Ethical waste are the waste from hospital or mga center ko sa munisipyo. Katulad for example is the silage of the restrooms.
okay, very good. Sino dito sa example? Luana? Sino dito sa example of medical waste? Okay, very good. How about the Nubea?
Face mask po.
Okay. How about the animal and human being studying the professionals? They considered medical waste? Yes. How about the drugs? Yes. And how about chemicals and substances being used by the chemists? They are considered medical waste? Yes. Okay, very good. So now let's come here. What we call solid waste. This read Natasha. Waste commonly called garbage from home and commercial establishment. So municipal solid waste is what we call commonly garbage that being generated from the household, even in the businesses and public places. And one example for this is here in our school, where students generated various waste just like Maria, what student generated waste here in school?
Plastic bottles.
Okay, very good. Can you give me some examples of municipal solid waste in are made of metal and aluminum. They are good materials for recycling.
Metal.
Okay, thank you. So, do you agree that metal are good materials for recycling? Yes. Okay, because metal can be melted down and it can be formed in a new product. So, I will give an example of products that can be done in metal. Do you know this? Yes. What do you call this? No. Start with letter F. Yeah. No. No. Son, Lumina is. Lumina is. Now you know. Now you know. Okay. You think you can make like a like this? It's very good. So now let's have another one which is what we call what? See everyone? Okay, so those are examples of paper waste. Can you give me some examples of recyclable products that can be done paper? Yes, then Joy.
Yung kapag nag-revise sa palengke, di ba bawal ng plastic? So, ginagawa namin sila yung paper bag.
Okay, very good.
Paano?
How about paper basket? Do you know how to do it? Yes. Paper flowers? Yes. So those are examples of brochure and magazine. Yes, so brochure and magazines can be also recycled. So by recycling paper, we can what? We can reduce the waste from our landfills and also we can save trees. Why do you think we can save trees, Nubea? Why do you think we can save trees by recycling paper?
We can save by recycling paper because
We can save trees.
we can save
Trees.
trees
Puno.
because ang papel ko kasi di ba ay yung kinukuha mo sa paper, yung liquid. Kaya kung makaka-save tayo ng mga papers, tapos din ang paper na yung
Okay, very good. So now let's draw another one. And this is
One review. Plastic. Plastic is empty plastic bottles and containers of water, oil, and other products are green recyclable materials because
okay. So plastic is a green is a good material that can be recycled. Can you give me some example of recyclable products that can be done with plastic? Is this Joy?
flower.
How do you want to see that?
Mga ano po, Christmas lantern.
Okay, very good. So, just like metal, plastic can be melted down also, and we can shape it without losing the quality. So, let's have another one, which is the what we call glass. Okay, this is
Jin.
Write down. Okay, so this side is the group 1 and this side is the group 2. Okay, now make all the right in front. Yes. Balloons. Okay, let's try that. Okay, last thing. Okay, very good. So now let's try that naman. Yes. First is tissue. Paper. Okay, very good. So look at one boy. Next one is the over of electric fan. Okay, very good. Next one. So look at points and move on now. Next one is all newspaper. Okay, very good. Okay, another one. Eyeglasses. This is dark. Okay, very good. These boys can do what that? So now we put your hand. Next one is plywood. Get the